Hello ho ho, welcome back to Python, welcome back to Matplotlib, and welcome back to, another video. And this is a little bit different because now we are not, I'm not recording another part of Matplotlib tutorial. Maybe I'm, kind of naming the video or giving it the name Matplotlib 16.1 because, you should maybe watch it after the 16th part, but today we are just, no, I'm playing with a toy. No, we are naming it, or we are wanna create the night sky using Matplotlib, so we are kind of trying a little bit of art. And just as a little fill-up, because I'm preparing the script for the next part, let's just do something different. As a kind of blueprint or as a base of our script, we are using the code we created in our previous video. It is just a simple script where we using scatter to kind of infinitely creating little dots like this. Here we go. And as you can see, this is kind of resembling a clock because we're using datetime. And let's delete this. So back to business. And we don't need the second. We don't need this because we need random coordinates regarding x and y axis. So there's a bracket, so we are just using random coordinates in this one. And first of all, what do we wanna get? We want to change our background color first of all, because we don't want to work with a white background, we want a black background because we are creating the night sky. So we are using plt point sub pyplot as, first of all, we should name a pyplot as plt. So for matplot, import pyplot as plt. And now subplots, 1, and rows and calls, using figure and axis because we are kind of we want our figure, we want to work with that, and we want to work with our axis, we want to color them. And because we renamed pyplot, we have to change it to plt. And now what was next? Let me think. First of all, we want to get access to our axis. Whoa, this was kind of a bad pun, but we are using axis point. This one, GCA, I just checked it, this is the right code. And now with X we can change our background color, but for that we have to use X point set face color black. Now let's test it. I kind of need to switch these variables, axis and figure. Now it kind of works. I created my script. So here we go. Kind of looks really bad, not like a night sky, but we're getting closer to it step by step. Next step, we also wanna set the background color next to the y and x axis, or under the x axis and the left to the y axis. So we are typing figure point patch point set face color and in brackets black. Kind of a little bit difficult because he's not, usually when I type something like np point append or array, he's already suggesting what I want to type, but in this case he won't. makes it a little bit harder. So yeah, keep in mind that you wanna, oh, I forgot what I was thinking. I even paused the video for it. Keep in mind that you just type the code correctly, type the functions correctly, and check it twice. Okay, I just closed the plot, so now let's move on. And yeah, after I silently try to figure out why he doesn't change the entire background to black, I got it. It is not access point GCA, it is PLT point GCA. So now, again, it won't work. Okay, this is mysterious. And maybe I found the issue now, because it has X and X names of our variables have to be the same. No, that's not the issue. Okay, I switched them wrong. Now is that the issue? Let's test it. That was the issue. So we found our issue, and I have problems pronouncing issue, but who cares? We found the problem. Let's say it like this. But yeah, we found it. So yeah, next step I would think of is, first of all, let's change the range of our random coordinates like this. Yeah, now it looks more random regarding our coordinates. Okay. Next step. Yeah, now we should change the color of our dots. So we already got some dots, but with our C argument in the scatter function, we can kind of change the color of the dots. We can change the color of the dots. And yeah, we're using the RGB color system for red, green, blue, yeah. So with that we can mix our color. We have to use a two-dimensional array. And yeah, the two-dimensional array has to, I don't know why it has to be two-dimensional arrays, because I guess you can even mix the colors or have a different range, but in our case we only need 3 values in one array, but we still have to use a two-dimensional array, so we are just using an array inside an array. And yeah, these values have to be floats regarding our red, green, blue values. For example, we can use 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. And now if we run, we're getting gray dots. Not the dots we want to get, but yeah, this is how the system works. So for yellow dots, we are using 248 divided by 256. Oh no, because 0 is also kind of, we have to use 255, I guess. And I just looked it up in my script. It is 255. Because yeah, the red, if we wanna get yellow, we have to get full red and full blue. But yeah, now if we have 0 green, we should get our, let me see. Yeah, we get our yellow dots. Kind of boring because they are all the same color, and we want to, have different colors. We want to get some white dots, some yellow dots, and some dots that are between yellow and white. So what do we gonna do next? We want to, get a random color between white and yellow, and you have maybe corrected or guessed it correctly. We are using random point random, because this gives us exactly what we want, a random float between 0 and 1. Here we go. And now, the range is between white and yellow. Now what also should differ is the size of our dots, because no star is on the sky is that big. Yeah, and in that case, I just looked it up. you have to trust me. We are declaring a variable, we name it s for size, and yeah, we are using np point random, let me think, random, yeah, 1, but multiplied, because we are needing a float, but also a bigger number, multiplied with 200. And yeah, as an input in our scatter function, we are using s equals our size s. Now let's run it again. Yeah, I forgot random point rand. Now let's run it. Yeah, now they have different size, but yeah, much too big, to be honest. So we should decrease the size. And yeah, sorry for the confusion. I just tried something. We can make it a little bit more simple. Random point rand int between 0 and 10. Much easier to work with when we are, yeah, getting to the stuff where we wanna depend the color based on the size. So yeah, this is better. And yeah, now they look like regular stars. Maybe a little bit too big, but yeah, it's just a picture. We are not simulating a night sky. We're just creating a picture. And for that, it should be enough. And yeah, next and last step should be, yeah, we should alter this value, because if the size is greater, we wanna have, yeah, bigger stars should be yellow, and yeah, smaller stars should be more like white. So we are not using a random color anymore, but we are using 1.0 minus. And yeah, we are using size divided by 10. This should do it. Yeah, now the bigger ones are, yeah. Now let me show you. Here we go. This is our final picture. Zoom a little bit. Oh, he's lagging. But nevertheless, we have our star sky, night sky. How do we want to call it? Night sky, star sky, star sky. Okay, not this one. Yes. So yeah, was there anything left I wanted to do? I don't know. You can also, yeah, you can also set the color of your axis. You can have a blue axis if you wanna have coordinates, but in this case we just, yeah, didn't change the color which of our y and x axis, because it's black on default, and we don't wanna, yeah, change anything of this. We can work with this. Yeah, so that was creating a night sky. I hope you liked it, and yeah, see you on the next video, hopefully. Wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. And yeah, see you, bye bye, and anything else I wanted to say. Have a great day. Bye bye. Hello, ho, ho. I should fix my microphone. Hello, ho, ho. Welcome back to I'm totally bad. Hello, ho, ho. And yeah, welcome back to Python. Welcome back to Matplotlib. And I don't need this one. I should delete it. Hello, ho, ho. And yeah, well, I'm too tired.